Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna jump down and I'm gonna run.
You're gonna come, Molly?
No, Annie, just watch the hill.
Okay.
I wanna do it on clear territory. Okay. Yeah, just move straight that way, okay?
Okay. This is gonna be funny.
Are you looking down that way?
Garrett and Lane are gonna be happy to see this. Yeah, I'm looking down that way.
Okay.
Go! Dude, you rolled out to the road. This is what poor people use as sleds.
Look at the hat! Come here. No, it fell off.
Woo! Did you like sleigh on it or something?
I'm gonna go to you. Look at the hat!
Yeah. Head protection.
Grass!
Do you want to film it on the same video? Yeah. Okay. Where are you? Oh, there's my glove. Don't you just love snow? Oh, sorry, my gloves are getting in the way. My pants are falling down. Can.
Ready?
See.
Okay.
Just run and jump down and fall. It's so much more fun. How do you know it hasn't stopped recording? Okay.
Why don't you like film another video?
Okay.